welcome to the channel. Well, this is a brand new channel for me, and I'm hoping you've joined me so that together we can learn all about 3D printing. I've bought myself a Bambu P2S. I've been fantasizing about this printer for quite some time, a year maybe, and I just decided, you know what, let's do it, let's go and get it. So I ordered it the other day, and here she is. She arrived today. I've made a few changes in my little creative space here to get ready for it, so thanks for joining me. This is going to be a journey. This is going to be a journey of learning. I've watched so many YouTube videos myself already. You might have as well. I find it so handy. But yeah, this is day one. This is the unboxing, the opening of the ordinary, mortal, inexperienced person who's just bought a 3D printer. I've got all sorts of dreams about printing all sorts of stuff, going into business, all loads of stuff, but who knows. Number one is, we've got to get her out of the box. I've called it her already. Got to get her out of the box, have a look, and we'll go from there. So join me as we do this together. Right, put it on the floor for the opening. So without further ado, being very careful of this blade, we are, oh my god, I'm so excited. We're going to get her open. I don't know why you're watching this. Is it because you're getting a printer? You're going to help me out with some advice? Are you brand new like me? Because this is going to be a journey, this is. Right, first thing we've got is a quick start guide. Now, from all the videos I've seen, you can get this out and there's some QR codes, I'm told, or from what I've seen, where you can click the QR code. Oh, stickers, we love stickers. Look at all the stickers you get with it. I get excited about even just stickers, look. Right, so you should, oh, here it is. So get started, and there's, as soon as you open the box, there's a QR code on there. Oh, and it tells you how to, on the other side, is the downloads for the app. So let's put those down. As you can imagine, I've already downloaded the app because I was too excited not to. Right, there's a booklet. Okay. In the top, first thing we have in the top of the box. Should we get you a bit closer so you can see what's going on? Right, okay, now we're a bit closer. We have got oh, you can see what's in there. Look, it tells you there's a picture of what's in this box, which is some of the tools. Oh yeah, so there's some of the tools all ready to go. Let's put that over there out of the way. That's the box done with. Keep that box. We do keep boxes because, as you might be able to see from the room, there's lots of stuff in here. That's because my wife does a bit of buying and selling. There's an unboxing guide. As soon as you get to the lid, there's an unboxing guide. So shall we get my phone? Let's read the QR code and let's see what it does. So we are going, oh, here we are. So it goes straight to a load of instructions. So we're going to click, oh, that's the X, I don't want that one. We want the P2S unboxing guide. Oh yeah, just as I've seen on the YouTube videos, look, there's the videos, which takes you through unboxing. Well, I think the unboxing from the picture might be, what was a bit of music? Remove the package. See what I mean? Like, so really detailed. So that's the first one. Tells you exactly what I'm doing, is getting the package out. So let's do that. Let's get everything out. It's well packaged. This is that. It's not that horrible polystyrene. It's sort of more plasticky. It's very squidgy but plasticky, which is quite nice. That polystyrene, the bits come off and it goes absolutely everywhere. Right, so it says grab the bag and lift, which is what I'm doing. I wouldn't say that's light, to be honest. Right, let me just move the... Right, that's those out of the way. And then what we're left with, well, going back to the weight, it's got to be about 20 kilos-ish. So I should just be very wary about how strong you are and putting your back out. Right, so let's cut her out of the bag without damaging anything. All that. Leave that naughty knife out of the way. Okay. This is the front, I think. I've got it the right way around. That's that bit. Right, there we are. She is out. God, it is heavy. That's got to be... Do you know what? Maybe... Could be 30 kilos. It's quite heavy. Now, you can see it's completely taped, wrapped and everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch the video. We don't want to mess this up, do we? I bought this directly from Bambu Labs, the combo with the AMS. The reason I got that is every video I've watched said get the AMS, so that's what I've done. I also bought a load of spools as well, and we've just gone for the basic filament, so nothing special. So let's have a look at this video. I hope I don't get a copyright strike on this. Okay, so it's telling you to get out of the box, which is what we've done. Just like that. Can we make it bigger? Yes, we can. Okay, then it's telling you to take it out of the plastic bag, look, just like that, which is what I've just done. Which is very exciting. Now, oh, it's running away with me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to bore you with every single part of this. Should we do a little time lapse? Bits out the top. You've got to get the Allen key, which was in the little, remember the little black pack I was showing you to start with? Get that Allen key out, and there's 2 screws it tells you to undo, which are denoted by these red circles. Oh yeah, that's now movable, look. So let's make sure that's what it says to do next. I'll race ahead here. So as you say, look, it says take the screws out, which is what we're doing there, those 2 screws. Oh yeah, look, and then we pull the AMS out, right. Let's get that out then. Awesome. Bit more stuff there. Oh my god, how scary is that, look. Ooh. A lot of plastic covering that, protecting it. Right, so that bit's out. Right, put to one side, which we've done. Alright, now we've got loads of polystyrene bits on the sides and the back. God, some of them are quite tough to get out. You feel a bit worried about giving them a tug in case it pulls something off. Right, that's those 2 out. What does it say now? Right, that's the two side ones, the back one. Now where's it going to tell me? So remove transport materials. Oh right, okay. So this is about undoing some more screws. Okay, so... Oh. Where's the screw then? That's that. Yeah, it definitely says go in there, doesn't it? Oh yeah. Yeah. So where there's a... Everywhere there's a red circle, there's basically a screw to open. Oh, got that one. One each side. Let's undo all of those. Right, there's another one there. Right, let's have that. Okay, that's those ones that it says to undo. Okay, that's those ones. Is that it? Oh yeah. We're out. So let's save the screws. Can hear it. There it goes. Right, that's all of those ones out. And the transport base. Okay. What's next? Oh, there's one at the back. Oh yeah, I see it. There's one right at the back of the plate. Again, it's quite straightforward because it's got a red circle around it, indicating where it is. I'll be careful, I don't want to lose this screw. Don't know where it's going to go if I drop it. Bit of a squeeze getting it in, but you just get it in. Right, that's that one out. Okay, what's next? Oh right, so we're getting this out now. Right. Okay, so these are next, these are red things. Two of those. Okay, they're out. And we need some snippers next to cut the two blue plastic strips holding on here. One. Two. That's those two out. Okay. Oh, so let's move this up across like that, and then so you can see this. Once you move that across, there's another plastic tie here. Cut that one off. That's the third one of those. That's that one off. And now tell him to put the lid on. Okay, so let's get the lid. A bit dirty. I need to get that clean probably. Okay, there's the lid, that's on. Ooh, she's looking fine. Okay. Right, that's the lid on. Right, install the touchscreen, it says next. So the touchscreen is in the plastic case. get that out. Here she is. And it's telling me to clip it in with that clip there. And then to slot it on by pushing it in, it pops in. Okay. Now, that's got to be that way because it only tilts up. So it's got to be the right way. So let's clip that in there. That's where I need my glasses. Okay. So what clip is that? It's got to be there. I think that's it. Okay, that slides back in there. And that. Oh, look at that. Made it dirty already, look. Okay, that's clipped in. Right, so I've got all the plastic off. There's quite a bit of plastic actually protecting. I've still got some more on that. There's quite a bit, and then there's some incandescent moisture resisting, not resisting, absorbing stuff as well on the inside that you've got to get off. Okay, and presume you just put it like that. Let's have a look. Okay. Right, so we've got the plastic off as it describes. And there is some foam across the front. And then the tape at the back, as you can see, is holding those little moisture absorbing little crystal bags. Okay. Oh, he's putting them back. Oh, right, okay. So those bags, you take off the tape, and it looks like you put them back in. So let's take a look, shall we? So these go out of the plastic pack. Oh. Let's watch the video again. It's really difficult trying to get you to film it and watch it. Right, okay, let's just rewind that. Rewind. Oh yeah, so you take them out the plastic, hold it like that. Oh, and then they slip in behind there. Oh, I suppose they just stay in there. Okay. So let's take them both out. It is on top. Ta-da! Right, then we've got to go to the back. Oh, right, okay. So there's a tube on the back. Let's just move these out of the way. Let's close her up at the front. So, gosh, it's heavy. Right, there's a tube on the back here, which goes up and then slots in there. From this hole here down to the top one of these two. So, right, so one and that, and then one in the top. I don't even know if that's the right one. Right, I am all plugged in now. The moment of truth, we've got to do the calibrating, and that's where you get the last bit of foam from underneath the tray, I think, as well. So are you ready for this? I'm going to turn it on and see what happens. Oh, fan worked. It's powering on. Oh, lights. Oh my God. Oh. Right, let's choose country, English or language rather. Please select your region. We'll have Europe, shall we? So we've got Wi-Fi. It's just to me, why you can't see my Wi-Fi code. That's top secret. Let's see if that Wi-Fi connects. Oh, QR code refreshing. Use the Bambu Handy app to scan and log in. Right, here we go then. So let's scan. Log in. Confirm to bind. Okay, we're binding it. Okay, printer name. Name your printer. What should we call it? What should we call it? Should we just call it Bambu? Confirm. Okay. So let's press next on here. Agree the terms and conditions. I might need my glasses, you know. Join the user experience. Use the Allen key to remove all the screws marked in red. So we should have done all of those. Next, calibrate for lower noise and better print quality. Start. Okay. Oh, So is this where we can, can I get this plastic out here? Yeah. Right, that's the last bit of plastic out, I think. Okay. Homing tool head. Right, let's leave that to do its thing. Don't know how long it takes. So, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing with me. It's going to do some calibrating now, and hopefully everything is going to be perfect. So, I will get back to you when it's all calibrated. I'm so excited. Make sure I've done it all correctly, and then I don't know, we'll go from there. Oh my god, this is a bit exciting. Right, so it's all set up. The AMS is all in place, and I am starting my first ever print. I'm hoping I've got it right. I've loaded the stuff in. There is what I'm doing first, and I'm doing an orange poop shoot, a waste shoot, because I wanted to do like orange extra bits. So this is quite exciting. Oh, it's really nerve-wracking. You think how much money you've spent, and this is the moment where hopefully it's all together. I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing something. Let's have a look. So the orange AMS is on. Oh, she's flying. The orange AMS light is on because that's the one I've chosen. I got PLA basic. I just want to start really easy. I've just stuck 4 different colours in there, and I've also got a green and a blue as well, just to start with, to see how we get on. And I think I've done everything right. We're going to find out soon, aren't we? It's a bit scary. You know, when you think, have I removed all of the right bits and is it all correct? I'm sure it'll tell me. So anyway, there is Poop Shoot print number 1, and she's off. What was the first thing you printed? What was the first thing you made? I know a lot of people make the boat, but I just wanted to be really useful straight away, because we need the poop shoot. It's already had a poop. My first poo. How exciting. So yeah, as you can see, I need the poop chute, so I'm quite excited about that. Oh God. Right. I'm going to come back to you a bit later to see how we've got on. It's 15:49. I'm pretty sure that'll take hours. And I think it comes up with a time somewhere or other, but I shall see if I can find that out. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, she has started up successfully. She looks fairly neat. The print is sticking to the plate. Let's not be too excited. It is the first one, but it's looking all right. Only 7.5 hours to go. So yeah, poop shoots away. Let's hope she goes okay. I've got to say, the ease of setting up was really good. I'm quite excited about the whole thing, as you can probably tell. So thanks for joining me on this first setup, putting it together, and first print. I will see you next time, where we will see how has this poop shoot done. Let's just hope it's a great success. But I'll show you on the next episode. Thanks for joining me. See you later. Bye.